Hi, I'm Red the Cooking Dad and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a simple pickled daikon radish and carrots. You can use this as a garnish, a side dish, or a relish to your banh mi or Asian buns. But first, if this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you want to learn how to cook easy, simple, but delicious dishes. And turn on that notification so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Now, back to the video. If you like this video, smash that like button and leave some comments down below and share this video to your friends. Also, stick around to watch some of my other videos in this channel.